Meaning of exalt.
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 Exalt. The word exalt means to raise someone or something to a higher level in terms of rank, power, or status. It involves giving greater prominence, honor, or praise to an individual or object. As a result, the person or object that is exalted gains more importance and respect from others. Often used in the context of spirituality or religion, this term refers to elevating one's beliefs or spirits to a higher level of understanding or consciousness. Overall, exalt implies a positive transformation, promoting growth and recognition.